I'm Sienna Bells. Welcome to my channel, Learning Bells Live. Today we are going to talk about ionic bond formation. I am going to show you two reactions which represent ionic bond formation. So let us begin a reaction between sodium and chlorine. Between sodium, Na, and chlorine. Cl. Ultimately leading to formation of sodium chloride, or its formula is NaCl. Now I am going to write the reaction. So here I have represented the lone valence electron of sodium with a cross with an electronic configuration of 281 and chlorine's valence electrons with circles. Here we can see there are pairs of electrons in the bottom, top, and the right, and there is one electron to the left. It has an electronic configuration of 287. Now, sodium loses its lone valence electron, and chlorine gains this lost valence electron from sodium. This lone valence electron from sodium is getting transferred to chlorine. This gives us on doing so, we get Na plus cation with an electronic configuration of 28 and Cl minus 288. It has an electronic configuration of 288. That means sodium has attained the octet configuration of neon, and chlorine has attained the octet configuration of argon. Na plus cation and Cl minus anion attract each other. Ultimately forming an electrovalent or ionic bond. It leads to an electrovalent or ionic bond. Ultimately, the unit Na plus Cl minus is electrically neutral. Now, you may take a look at this reaction and understand how ionic bond formation occurs. I am going to erase the board to demonstrate our next ionic bond formation reaction. Now I am going to demonstrate a reaction in between potassium and fluorine. Between potassium K and fluorine F. We will do a reaction in between potassium K and fluorine F to form potassium fluoride, whose formula is Kf. So I am going to write the reaction now. Here I have represented the lone valence electron of potassium with a cross. It has an electronic configuration of 28881, and fluorine I have drawn the valence electrons of fluorine, and represented them with circles. It has 7 valence electrons and an electronic configuration of 27. Here, potassium loses its low valence electron, and fluorine gains this lost electron from potassium. On doing so, there is a transfer of this lone valence electron to fluorine. Now, what do we get out of this? On doing this reaction, K plus and F minus are formed. K plus potassium, K plus has an electronic configuration of 288. That means it has attained the octet configuration of argon, and fluorine has attained the octet configuration of neon. K plus cation and F minus anion attract each other. K plus cation and F minus anion attract each other, and ultimately it forms an electrovalent or ionic bond. Electrovalent or ionic bond. And the unit K plus F minus is electrically neutral. Now Now you may take a look at this reaction and see between potassium and fluorine how it forms potassium fluoride. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.